didn't think that it'd happen to me.
Army veteran D. Davis spent 3 years in the U.S. Army, prepared to fight for his country. He now never imagined he'd ever be fighting for his life in the way he's had to in 2020.
Pretty healthy individual. Work out twice a day, eat clean, take good care of myself. So I just never thought that this would affect me the way that it has.
From a hospital bed in Tampa, Florida, Davis is fighting through COVID-19. He started experiencing symptoms at the top of November and was hospitalized within days. Davis is one of more than 800,000 Floridians who've tested positive for the coronavirus. This according to the state health data.
I would say the hardest symptoms was initially the headaches. If I had to describe it, it would be like a sledgehammer hitting my head all day.
A resident of Tampa, Davis said he doesn't know how or where he got the virus, but what he does know is the havoc it's wreaking on his body. Severe headaches, body aches, fever, and shortness of breath. He told Atlanta Black Star that his symptoms are getting progressively worse each day.
I arrived at the hospital in the ER on Thursday, complaining of headaches that I've been experiencing for 4 days straight. They were very severe. And then when I came into the hospital, they did a CT scan of my head. It came back clear, but they informed me that I had pneumonia. And upon being released, I asked the nurse, was I going to get medication for the pneumonia? And she told me it was viral and I didn't need medication. And then from Thursday until Wednesday, I basically suffered, and the pneumonia got worse. And now I'm back here and admitted in the hospital, trying to beat the pneumonia.
The CDC reports that the virus that has now affected roughly 10 million people worldwide weakens your immune system, which makes you more susceptible to other illnesses. Davis says he prays every night that he wakes up in the morning.
I didn't think that it'd happen to me.
Davis says he hasn't been out much over the last 6 months due to the state's pandemic lockdown. But when the state reopened its bars and nightclubs in September, he says he took advantage of the opportunity to hang out.
About a mask mandate, which is out in public, and just like any bar or restaurant, you wear a mask to enter. But once you enter, you're able to take your mask off.
According to the CDC, to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus, everyone should get in the habit of washing their hands often, avoiding close contact with people who are sick, practicing social distancing, and wearing a mask when around others.
Any message for people?
Take it serious, because it is.
And again, Davis is a veteran, and while he usually may spend that day celebrating, this year he tells me he's spending it in the hospital, a place that doctors say he may be for a while. Ashanti Ford with Atlanta Black Star.